until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain southwest of Scotty's Castle moving to the northeast. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mesquite Springs Campground, Scotty's Castle, and Scotty's Castle Road. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
This concludes this test of the Southern Nevada, Inyo County, California Emergency Alert System, EOC2.